To start, select the economy plan. Enter the name which you have already selected and click Go. Then click Add and Continue. You can see here that you are getting your domain for free and also an 85% discount on hosting. This plan is valid for 1 year, after which you can renew the plan if you want to keep your website online. Now click Proceed to checkout. Continue as a new user. Fill up your details. Choose any 4-digit number as your PIN, then choose your payment method. Click Continue. Click Agree and place your order. Complete the payment process. That's it. You got your domain and hosting. Now you can go to step 3, which is setting up your account. To start, click Web Hosting and click Setup. Then enter a username and password. Click Finish. Now you'll see a short video and then you'll be taken to this page. Okay, your account is now ready. The fourth step is to install WordPress. Now WordPress makes it very easy to create a website without knowing any programming or coding. To install WordPress, scroll down the page and click WordPress. Then click Install this application. Now scroll down to the administrator username and enter a username and password for WordPress. Enter your email and then your site's title. Select this option to make logging into WordPress easier. Then click Install. WordPress will now be installed on the server. After it finishes, click on this link to access your website. This is the WordPress dashboard. From here you can control your site. To access this page anytime again, go to this address. Just remove this box by clicking here. Now let's see how the website looks. Click here to visit your site. This is how the default WordPress site looks like. Now you can start adding content to the site by clicking New and Post. I'm just going to add a sample post for my site. Also add an image. Then hit Publish. And let's just see how it looks. So here is the post we just added. Now you know how to add content to your site. So let's move on to the last step, which is customizing your site. You can change the look of your website using WordPress themes. Now WordPress has thousands of themes available for free. So to install a theme, go to the dashboard and under Appearance, click Themes. Click Add New Theme. Go to Popular and choose any theme you like. Select it and you'll see a preview of the theme. If you like it, click Install and click Activate. Let's see how it looks now. It looks good. You can customize the current theme by clicking Customize under this menu. Make the changes you want on the left. I'm going to change the background image to make it look more beautiful. When you're done, just click Save and Publish. Now let's have a look.